Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Now, if you study the whole world at the present moment, they do not believe in the soul. They do not believe in the transmigration of the soul from one body to another. Even big professors, big learned scholars, they do not believe. So therefore, you can understand that what is the present population of the world? All rascals. All rascals. They cannot understand the simple truth. And they're passing on great scholars, great scientists, great politicians, and so on, but all of them rascals. This is the conclusion. Krishna says, Dhira Sattvanam. This transmigration of the soul from one body to another. Krishna says, Dhira Sattvanam Yati. And here also the same thing. Priyanti Jagamana Dhira Sarvabhavena Sadhava. The spiritual people do not understand what is spirit, then where is the question of spiritual life and advancement of spiritual? There is no question. This is the beginning of spiritual existence, education, that I am not this body. I am spirit soul, Aham Brahmasmi. They can understand. So if you are sincerely Krishna conscious, if you believe Krishna, we have to believe. If you believe or not believe, the words of Krishna cannot be false. That's a fact. You may be rascal if you do not believe, but those who are dhira, they will believe. If you have love for Krishna, there is no question of love and no love. This is the fact. So one has to become. This is the ultimate goal of life, that one has to become dhira, not like cats and dogs jumping here and there. That is not human life. That is dog life. Jasyanto buddhi kunapeti dhakute sadhik kalatra disu homo yujjati Jaktirtha buddhi salilena karhichi janesu avidnesu saivadhi. Go on. These classes of men, Jasya, food, life is bodily concept. I am body. I am a Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Brahmin, I am Indian, I am American. And the whole world is fighting on this because they are all crazy, not dhira. This is the modern civilization. Jasyanto buddhi kunapiti. This is a bag of bones and flesh and blood, and they are thinking that they are this body. Now where from the living force coming if you are this body? Because as soon as the living force is gone, the body is useless, a lump of matter. So do you think this lump of matter is living life? But they are not dhira. All rascals, they cannot understand. The word is very important. Dhira sattanamati. How the rascals will understand? Therefore our Krishna consciousness movement is to educate the rascals. That's all. Simple thing. We challenge everyone that you are rascal number one. Try to understand Krishna. This is our challenge. Come forward. We say, we challenge. You are rascal number one. You take education in Krishna consciousness and make your life perfect. This is Krishna consciousness. Nobody is hero.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.